everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. I have a very short yet important video to share with you today. It's all about Doordash ratings. I think I know how they work, and I'm going to share that with you. Now, of course, this could be way off, but I think this is the way ratings work. And I think you'll enjoy this and learn something from this video. So let's dig in. Okay, so first of all, I can't take credit for this. I can't remember where I saw it actually. A few months ago, I watched a YouTube video, and I cannot remember who made it for the life of me. I kind of searched and I couldn't find it. But another YouTuber described how the ratings are calculated. Do you happen to know who posted it? I'd love to give them credit. So if you know, let me know. Anyways, once you see how it works, you'll understand why you stay at 93% completion rate for weeks, and why you're stuck at 4.99 forever. It all makes sense. So I think this is pretty accurate information. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you start the day with a 92% completion rate, okay? For the last 100 deliveries, you have 8 that you did not complete. Okay, so these are the most recent deliveries. Let's say, these were today. You had to unassign a couple because the wait was going to be really long, but you did that one and that one and that one, whatever. This is the picture of your last 100 deliveries. So, like this one's getting ready to roll off. So as you put new ones in, they're kind of like marbles. You put them in, old ones roll off. So as you add more good ones, more green ones, these red ones down here are going to roll off. And your completion rate will go up. So like here's the next day, let's say. Okay, you did 11 great ones yesterday. You completed them all. So I added 11 green. And now I got rid of the 11 oldest ones. So now everything has shifted over 11. So 11 new balls have come in, 11 balls have left. And now we're at 95% because some of those red ones have rolled off. But it's going to take a long time until those other roll off. So you see they're way up here, right? These are the ones that yesterday we unassigned, and maybe the day before or whatever. So we have all of these other green ones that need to roll off before we get to these, and they roll off. So as you do more orders, and completing them, that's the key part there, they come in, and as they come in here, old ones roll off there. So you're going to stay at 95% for a long time. There's 20 in each row here, so we got 20, 40, 60. We got about 70 more deliveries before this guy's gone. And once he's gone, and assuming that all the rest of the new ones are green, you'll go up to 96%. Once this one's gone, you'll go to 97%. Once this one's gone, you'll go to 98, 99, 100. So there we go. That explains why you stay at one rating for so long, even though you're completing the offers, right and left. Because some of these, it's going to take a while. So hopefully that makes some sense to you. It made perfect sense to me. So the same thing with your reviews. So your customer rating is based on the last 100 reviews, which roll off the same way as the completion rating I just explained. So that 4 review that you received, a couple weeks ago or whatever, it could take a very long time to come off. Longer than the completion rating changes because most customers do not review drivers unless there's a problem. It's like Yelp. Most people go on Yelp to write a review when they're upset with the service and want to warn others. Yes, there are some positive reviews, and some people do rate their drivers probably every single time. But usually people like to review services when they're not satisfied. Usually when everything goes well, people don't do a review. So it could be a long time before you get 100 reviews in there, in that funnel of reviews. So if you have one in there that's, stuck in the middle of, let's say you've got 48 more that you need to get before you get to that number 4, that 4 rating, it could take a long time. I don't know. It doesn't seem like I'm getting as many ratings as I used to, but I'm not sure. So even if you do a great job, chances are many of your customers probably won't submit a review. So it might take a really long time to get to 100 new reviews. So it could take a while for those lower ones that are not 5s to roll off. Well, that was interesting. Anyways, I forgot. Can you please subscribe to my channel? That'd be fantastic. Hopefully you're learning something here today. I think this is a really good topic. Okay. And another thing I learned, I have not confirmed this, but I have read it several times recently, so it might be true. So if you're waiting for an order and you click the little link to tell DoorDash why you're still waiting, you choose one of the reasons, the food wasn't started till I arrived, the food is still being prepared, etc., then that customer may not be prompted to review your services. They'll be prompted to review the restaurant, but not their driver. I don't know that this is 100% true, like I said, but a lot of people have been saying this. So once, I know on the app it says that you won't get, if you mark that the food isn't ready yet or whatever, you cannot get less than a 5 review from their customer. But I don't know if they even let you review you at all. I have no way of testing this. I have no idea if it's true. So supposedly if you mark one of those items, then the customer cannot rate you. Does anyone know if this is true? I don't know if it's true. I'm just sharing this information. Like I said, I'm not sure it's the case, but if it is, and you regularly click in there and have a reason why you're still waiting at the restaurant, it will make it even longer to get those 100 reviews and get rid of those bad ones that are in there. So, anyways. Like I said, if you know the answer to this, if this is true, please put that information down in the comments. I'm sure we'd all love to hear about it. Has anybody tested? I don't even know how you would test it, but anyways, I hope that clarifies things. If you got any comments, questions, corrections, please list them below in the comments. Like I said, I could very well be completely wrong with this. Like I said, another YouTuber did a video about it, and it made perfect sense to me. And it seems to be accurate in the way that the reviews and the completion ratings go. I'd really appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you learned something. That'd be great. Anyway, so my advice, just be patient, do a good job, the ratings will improve. If you got a bad review from a customer, they could be mad at the restaurant. They could be mad at DoorDash for the high fees, mad because you had to wait a long time for the food. Who knows? Don't take it personally. Do your best. Try to give good service, be kind to the customers, be kind to the people at the restaurants. Just do your best, be friendly, and it should all be fine. Anyways, I hope that this video was informative to you and you learned something new. I hope you're out there making lots of money, staying safe, staying healthy. And thank you so much for clicking on the video. I appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Thanks again.